Now with the current state here, we're not executing any animation, we're not executing any code besides logging it to the console. But you see that all these events get emitted and our hooks get called. Now before we start adding some JavaScript code, I want to highlight something. We're not using CSS here, right? We're doing everything through JavaScript, which is why we need to call the done function down there. Now, if we don't use CSS, we might also tell Vue.js. We don't get an error if we don't tell it, but if we do tell it, it can skip the step of determining whether we do have a CSS animation attached or not. Because keep in mind, if we don't have name set up, that doesn't mean it doesn't look for CSS classes to attach. It means it looks to attach vEnter, vEnterActive, and so on, and it will find that these classes don't exist. But we can skip this checking if we know, well, we won't attach ones because we don't want to use them here. So you can tell it by adding :CSS false. Now :CSS instead of just CSS because we want to pass a boolean here and not pass false as a string. This is why we need to use attribute binding. Now with false being passed here, this means don't look for CSS classes, we don't use them, so you may skip the step and immediately execute these hooks here so that we can take over with JavaScript.